It's time to zoom, fly, and splash into fun! What is transportation? Transportation means how we move from one place to another, by land, by air, or by water. Let's explore together. Look, here comes a car. Cars take people to school, the store, and more. Next up, a bus. It carries lots of people together. Can you say beep, beep? Oh wow, a train. It zooms fast on the tracks. Hold on tight. Let's look up. What's flying in the sky? An airplane. It takes us high in the sky to faraway places. And look, a helicopter. It flies and can even stay in one place. Now let's splash into water. Here's a boat. Boats go on rivers and oceans. And look, a big ship. It carries people, animals, and even cars. Wow, let's remember what we learned about different types of transportation. On land, we have cars, buses, and trains. On air, we have airplanes and helicopters. And on water, we have boats and ships. Which is your favorite type of transportation?
Great job, friends! Don't forget to come back for more fun and learning. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun videos.